Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Breakthrough. Breakthrough means sudden, dramatic, and important discovery or development. For example, a major breakthrough in DNA research. A major breakthrough in DNA research. Synonyms: advance, development, step forward.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Such research may someday lead to important medical breakthroughs. Now, repeat after me. Such research may someday lead to important medical breakthroughs. The second exemplar. Two recent major breakthroughs have revolutionized cattle-human comparative mapping. Now, repeat after me. Two recent major breakthroughs have revolutionized cattle-human comparative mapping. The third exemplar. The exhibition contains material on two of his important breakthroughs. Now, repeat after me. The exhibition contains material on two of his important breakthroughs.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.